Just watch this Kia raiding a wheelie bin. It's using its brain as a chess player does to work out a sequence of moves. Which logs need to be shifted in what order to allow it to open the bin. And it isn't just clever, it has brawn as well as brains. This isn't a trick the bird was taught. This Kia is a wild creature. It figured out the problem without any human prompting. A perfect opening gambit. Observations of intelligent behaviour like this have brought scientists from across the world to test the Kia's abilities in its natural habitat in Mount Cook National Park. In this test, the wild Kia is offered some butter, a favourite Kia treat, sandwiched between two plastic cylinders. It can only get the reward by dismantling the apparatus in exactly the reverse order in which it was assembled. This would tax the ingenuity of a monkey or even a young child. After a bit of trial and error, the Kia has solved the puzzle. Meanwhile, another bird is watching and learning from the first Kia's moves. When it comes to the onlooker's turn, it emulates the first bird's actions. Solving the problem to claim its own reward.